Hey guys, I'll be answering the question if you can transfer Ditto load balance to GCash. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So short answer is no, you cannot directly transfer Ditto load balance to GCash. There's no official feature or setting in either the Ditto app or GCash that allows you to convert prepaid load into GCash balance. And now let's go ahead and find out why. So GCash no longer supports converting mobile load into wallet funds due to previous issues with fraud and misuse. That means you can't turn your Ditto load cash into GCash money like you could do with some networks in the past. And there's no current option through the Ditto app or any USSD code that will allow this kind of transfer. But there is a workaround for this. So we can go ahead and sell your load manually. So you can send your Ditto load to another Ditto user using Load or load sharing. Then they can pay you through GCash. This is a manual exchange and works only if you find someone willing to trade. So what we can do here, we can send 100 load to someone, then they will give you 80 to 90 in GCash.